Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Storm here. Welcome back to Factorio. In the last episode, we're working on figuring out the plan for the next reactor that we're going to be building for electrical power. And I decided to switch over to thorium reactors as opposed to deuterium. Because deuterium is going to be a very large facility, which I don't think we actually need. We have thorium, so you might as well use it. So set up, we've brought in the hydrofluoric acid that we need here. The hydrofluoric acid is such an issue. We'll have to see if we can continue to produce more of that. We need this to run, and funnily enough, we need this to run anyway because this is also producing our thorium as well as our fluorite, and yeah. We're going to look into trying to improve that here as well. So, I went ahead and got these loading areas set up to bring in our zinc that we're going to need and to bring the thorium over. And this is going to be a fairly straightforward process. So let's go ahead and do it. I also went ahead and manufactured the thorium reactors. I need centrifuges. Centrifuge 3s. Is that what we need? Centrifuge 2. But we need a centrifuge 3 to do this. Ah, okay. Nitinol plate, nitinol gear wheel, nitinol bearing, tungsten carbide plate. Well. That's a bit of an issue. Okay. Gonna have that start happening. I basically can fix that by just turning the whole thing into chain signals so nobody even enters. The intersection until it's clear. Alright. Which is fine. Okay. Was I making the other centrifuges anywhere? Well, if I was, I should be able to request them. I am. Okay. I don't need 50. Can I just get myself, like, maybe 10 of them? There we go. I'm completely blanking as to where I was making those. But okay. That's fine. So what do we need again? We need electronic processing boards. We need nitinol. Nitinol gear wheels. Nitinol gear wheel. The bearing needs lubricants, which we have here. We have the electronic processing boards. Do we have the nitinol? No. But we can. Assuming we even have any. I'm sure we have some. It just might not be in the logistics system. Yes, here it is. Well, that's an easy fix. Where am I? The thing is, we also are going to need to manufacture turbines. I assume they're being made wherever the turbines are being made. Because I also assume that we are making turbine 2s, yes? Well, we have some in logistic storage, but not enough. Kind of hard to tell where the logistics. Ah, here it is. Here it is. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We can just bring them over with the logistics system. Okay. No big deal. This can get removed. Actually, we need that here. Okay. This is going to be the same thing. Nitinol gear wheels, nitinol bearing, nitinol pipe. Tungsten carbide. Okay, that's going to be a thing. All right. Okay, so yeah, go ahead and drop it there. Okay. So for the bearings, we're going to need bearing balls, and we're going to need nitinol bearing ball, nitinol bearing. Yep, nitinol bearing balls. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to need pipe. Let's see. Nitinol pipe. Copper tungsten pipe. There we go. Okay. Actually, let's do this. Put that pipe on the same line as that one. There we go. Okay, and then we can put you here. And let's have you manufacture steam turbine 3s. You're also going to need nitinol plates. Oh. We can do it that way. Pick up there. Pick up there. Pick up there. And then we put in requester chest. For the steam turbine 2s. Bring those in. And then provider chests for the 3s. Because I figured out how many we're going to need, right? And with 864 megajoules of heat, we can... we can run 96 steam turbines off of that. So that's good. So that will start to work. There we go, steam turbine 3s. Alright, and so this is going to make the centrifuges. Which is going to want the nitinol plates. Drop. It's going to want electronic processing boards. And it's going to want these. We're going to request in the 2s and dump out the 3s. Okay, basically it's how fast can we supply this thing nitinol plate? Okay, now we need to go make some tungsten carbide. Which, to make tungsten carbide... Okay, I don't know why that didn't load properly, but whatever. We have two options. We can take tungsten oxide and carbon, or tungsten powder and carbon. Okay, let's go see what we've got. I don't believe that's something that we are making. Where did I park? Oh, up there. Okay. Yeah, so we're making tungsten, but not tungsten carbide. We have tungsten powder. We also have tungsten oxide. Do we have readily available carbon? I mean, we should, somewhere around here. And here's a question. Should I go through the process of actually making it available on a train? Used for assembly machine 6s. Not worried about trains for that. Large armored wagons. Not that worried about that. Armored locomotives, artillery turrets. We're not going to need that in this playthrough, unfortunately. I was kind of hoping that We were tank Mark III. We're not going to probably need that. Electric furnace 3s. I'm not too worried. Deuterium reactors. Advanced gas refineries 4. Heat shielding tile. Pellet press 4. No, nothing I think that we couldn't handle with the logistics system. Okay, so we'll just throw it in a box. Now it's just a matter of, do we use a tungsten powder or tungsten oxide? Here is carbon, right there. Okay. Being used to make cobalt ingots. Alright. No big deal. We can borrow it. Okay. I think doesn't matter which we use. But in order to make the powder, we need to consume hydrogen fluoride gas. So, which we need to consume hydrofluoric acid. So it would be better, I think, to use the oxide. Okay, so I'll go into a sintering oven 2. Yep. Okay. So 3 of them would produce 2 per second. Alright, well I can make 2 of them right now. Of course, I'm parked right over top of where I need to be. Okay. Pick up. Pick up. And for the moment, this is going to go into a passive provider chest. There we go. our tungsten carbide plates. Okay, so if we're putting that there, what we could do... do another big requester chest. Actually, no, that would be fine. And you would grab the tungsten carbide. There we go. And that will provide the tungsten carbide over here, and this will start manufacturing. All right. Let's see, how many is this going to make? Make 60? Yeah, I guess that'll be a good start. Alright, so I think what we'll do is go ahead and end the episode here. I'll go ahead and let this do its thing for a little bit. And then, once we actually have the centrifuges we need, we can start this process. Oh, the other thing that we're going to need to make is heat pipes. Because we're going to probably want heat pipe 3s. Silver and titanium. I don't know about heat pipe 4s. 3 should be perfectly fine. Yeah. Titanium and silver. We have titanium and silver. Is that heat pipe 3 there? I believe that is heat pipe 3. Making heat exchanger 3s. We're going to need to make heat exchanger 4s. Okay. Yep. All right. That's another thing we need to work on. All right, but we'll work on that for next episode. So we'll stop here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you next time.